Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and many people are asking whether traditional operating systems like Windows can survive in the AI era. First, AI is changing how we interact with computers. Instead of manually searching and navigating apps, users are starting to rely on AI assistance and automation. Second, security is becoming more important than ever. AI can create more advanced cyber threats, which means Windows must continue strengthening its security systems and defenses. Third, the user experience is evolving. AI-powered search, smart assistants, and personalized settings are becoming standard features in modern operating systems. The good news is that Microsoft is heavily investing in AI. New AI-powered features are already being integrated into Windows to improve productivity and performance. However, there is also a challenge. As technology evolves, some older software may struggle to keep up. Windows will need to balance innovation while still supporting legacy applications. But history shows that technology always evolves. Just like smartphones transformed computing, Windows will likely become more AI-powered rather than disappear. In the end, AI is not replacing Windows, it is transforming it. Follow NextGenInnovation for more insights about AI and future technology.